Hello guys, so welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, I just want to introduce you to affiliate marketing, what affiliate marketing is, and the e-commerce platforms that you can be an affiliate marketer to. Now, the first platform I will introduce you to is Jumia Affiliate. You know, you have Jumia in most African countries. You have Jumia in Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, and co. Alright, so if you're in Africa, Jumia Affiliate is also one of the best platforms that you can join. Okay, just one thing about affiliate is that you just need to have time. Even though people call it a side hustle, all you need to do is to have time and then keep sharing a link of a product. Okay, so whoever that buys through your link, you get a commission. It's very easy. This is a side hustle where you can do even at the office with your phone, with laptop, provided you have an internet connection. You are good to go. It's very easy, and all you need to do is that hard work pays. Okay, so the more you share the link on various platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, you will get a lot of people that will click on these links, and if they buy, you get a commission. So all you need to do is to register through the link. That's kol.jumia.com. Alright, and the second platform I will introduce you to is Amazon. Now, Amazon Affiliate is one of the biggest affiliate program in the world, where many people are joining. Okay, so all you need to do is to just sign up, recommend, just share the links that you will be given on your dashboard. Just copy that link and share on Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Instagram, Twitter. So whoever that creates that link, Amazon pays your commission. You get it, yeah. So these are very interesting platforms that you can join for your affiliate program. You get it. It's not difficult to be an affiliate to an e-commerce platform. You have a lot of affiliate programs that are organized by many platforms. Elementor has an affiliate program. What do you call it? GoDaddy, Fiverr, where you go there and get more services. All of them, they have affiliate programs. Another affiliate program, another platform where you can join and be an affiliate is also AliExpress. You know, AliExpress, we know that that's for Alibaba as well. We know it's one of the biggest e-commerce platform in the world. We know they are getting millions of revenues every year, a month. Yeah. So you just have to register. So kindly take care of the links. Okay. The affiliate links are different from the links you use to register at the main site. Okay, so just take note of them. You just have to register and go through the same process by sharing links of the product, and you get paid. You register, get the links, and get paid. These are the only steps you need to go through. Another one to use Walmart. So all you need to do is to register at Walmart and become an affiliate marketer. Okay, another way to also make money online aside typing, maybe working for someone online, converting PDFs to Word, converting images to text. There are a whole lot of ways in making money online. Okay, and affiliate marketing is also one of the easiest ways. Okay, training in order to become an affiliate to any of these platforms. Okay, all you need to do is to have a little knowledge in IT, how you can register, how you can navigate your dashboard, and that is all. Just need to have an active social media account, Facebook, Twitter, you have an Instagram account, and TikTok. And we know TikTok is one of the fastest growing platform right now. So we have billions of users on it. So you can also advertise your links there too as well. You can also go to LinkedIn. It's one of the sites you can have a lot of connections at. Okay, so being an affiliate marketing is an interesting program. I like Amazon because they have a lot of products. You can share thousands of products a day. Even though it's a job, but like it pays, it pays. That's if you involve yourself in it, it's really going to pay. Okay, so that's just a little info about how affiliate marketing works. Okay, you sharing product links, okay, as an associate to an Amazon, or as an affiliate to Jumia, as an affiliate to Walmart or AliExpress. Okay, so whenever you share the link and somebody buy a product through that link, you get you get a commission. So that's how it works. So there are many ways to make money online, but this is one of the easiest. Okay, because some of the sites, or no one takes money from you before you can become an affiliate. Okay, immediately somebody is asking money, know that it's a scam. Do you get it? Yeah. So I'll do short videos on Amazon, how to fully become an Amazon associate, and I'll take it through from the first step to the last step, and we will share links and see how everything works. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.